Everyone, welcome back to Gomes Tech Talks channel. So I'm Dr. Gomati, and today I'm super excited to talk about incredible resource that can help you dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence. Not only artificial intelligence. So I'm going to take you through an IBM course. Okay, it's not a cognitive skill course; it's a different one where you will be learning a lot of things. Like it's not only on artificial intelligence; you will learn blockchain, so you have and we have lot and lot of courses over there where at the end of the modules, you will be receiving a badges, you will be receiving a certificate, you will go through project exercises and more. So watch till the end. I'll be showing you like how to log in, how to walk you through the complete process. Okay, so before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, so you will get lot of videos like opportunities, internship opportunities, job opportunities, and free courses to learn everything from here. Okay, so this is the playlist where you can find all these things, and I will be updating this playlist at least once a week. Okay, so let us go to the today's important thing, that is skill build by IBM. Okay, so this is the one where everybody can get into. Okay, so here on the left side you can see they have complete set of technical skills like artificial intelligence, blockchain, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data science, emerging technologies, the enterprise computing, IT support, quantum computing. So these all are there. And if you just scroll down, you can see workplace skills. Okay, these are essential for the students. Okay, and these are all for the professionals, and you can even expand your horizon. So here you can see this is for students. So you can start from artificial intelligence, getting started, AI foundations, artificial intelligence fundamentals, build your own chatbot, and also you can see this. Okay, these two are Spanish. Okay, if you are not from, if you don't know Spanish, just leave this and you can just start learning other things. And this is for educators. So if you want to teach artificial intelligence or artificial intelligence curriculum, all these things are available here. Okay, so I will show you like how to get through it. Okay, how to log in and how to find everything. So you have to select which one you wanted to go with. Okay, like you can, if you want to go with a blockchain, it's a free learning resource, cloud computing. So whatever you wanted to learn, just click on that particular thing. Okay, that particular course from the left side, and then you can see start learning option here. Just click on this start learning, so it will take you through the login screen. So what you have to do is what you have to log in. So this amazing courses is really will be a game changer for anyone looking to expand their knowledge and skills in AI. Okay, so let us see. So here you can log in using any like any ways, like either you can go with a Google, or you can use your email ID, you can use your LinkedIn or IBM ID. So I hope so you don't have IBM ID, so you can just log in with the Google. Just click on the login with Google, it will take you to the sign in page. So you can select which account you wanted to log in. I'm just selecting my account to log in and click continue. Okay, so it will take you through the page where you can start learning the courses. It's a very simple process to learn. Okay, so because this account is not there previously, so you have to create your account. If you have already have any account in this particular website, skill build, you can go ahead, or else just click on this create an account. It will ask you the name. Okay, so you can type your name, first name, family name, country, give the proper country. Okay, so you can type here India. Okay, search for India. I'm just searching, 1 minute. Okay, so here you have, and then you have to select the location. So which state you are from, so you can select the location, and then you have to select the age as well. Okay, so give the appropriate age, and then you can, this is the first basic information. We have completed the basic information. Next one is the additional information and terms and conditional. So if you want to give the additional information, yes, or else just go to the terms and conditions, select this. Okay, and then click submit. Your profile will be created. Okay, so this program is for 13 years and older. So just go to the selection. So your profile is created, and it will take you to the complete course. Like this is an artificial intelligence course, right? We have selected this. You can select the preferred language, which language you wanted to see. So I want to go with the English language. You can select only one and then click X, continue. So it will take you to the artificial intelligence course. So that artificial intelligence course has these credentials. Okay, you will be getting a digital credential. Okay, open source origin, AI foundation, these are all the credentials you will be getting it. Okay, just if you scroll down, you can see various other options which you can learn. Okay, it will show you everything about artificial intelligence. Okay, so don't worry about this. These are all the recommendations, other skills which they are showing you to go ahead with. Okay, so now I wanted, you can choose, okay, recommended credentials for artificial intelligence. If you want to go with an AI foundation, for example, if you don't know what is artificial intelligence, so artificial intelligence, this is fundamentals and this is foundation. Okay, I have just right clicked and opening it in a new window so that I can see. Okay, again it will ask you which. So these are all the individual courses which you can do it additionally. Okay, so just click on that and click continue. So this is that artificial intelligence course. Okay, you can find it like on which languages it has and how to claim your badge. Okay, when your badge will be issued, everything you can find it here. If you probably sometimes if you are not receiving the badge, you can just send a mail to this particular email ID. So everything they have mentioned here. So here you can see complete learning here. So you have to click this, it will take you to the complete module. Okay, just go to the modules and see like what are the things which you have. So here you have to create a Credly account because the badge will be issued through Credly account. Okay, and you have 6 courses to complete, and one optional course is also there, and finally you will be getting the credential. So here you can see what are all the modules you have. Okay, so 6 courses they have mentioned here, 6 courses, right? So these are all the 6 courses you have to complete. Introduction to artificial intelligence, natural language processing, machine learning, run AI model, AI ethics, and your future in AI, the job landscape. So you can start learning this. Okay, so this is introduction to artificial intelligence. This is 1 hour. So simply you have to complete all these courses to get your badge. Okay, so it's not one course. So just click on this e-learning and click enroll. So you have to enroll for every individual course. Okay, so it's enroll. You can just select here and see what are all the things which are there you have to learn, and then click go to activity. So it will take you to the activity, so you can just start learning it. Okay, either you can just click go to the activity. So it is opening your e-course, e-module here. So let it open. So meanwhile you can see here that you have a lot of things which you can learn it. So it will load your activity. Until then, just please hold for some time. So this is the common method for all the modules and courses. Okay, or else you can simply click on this next. What are the other courses which you have? You can see all the courses here. So run AI model. So these are all the courses. So now you can see this is introduction to artificial intelligence. Just click on the start course. It will take you to the complete course. On the left side you can see the complete course and the what are the assessments you have, how many modules you have in that course. Everything is available here. Okay, you can just click on this about this module, what is artificial intelligence. You can see what is artificial intelligence. It plays an important role. Everything you can find it here. Okay, so what you have learned, everything you can complete. So you have to complete this. This is the course completion. So once you have completed the course and if it is passed, so you have a quiz for every course, and if it is passed, then it will give you the course completion. Likewise, it's same for everything. So whatever the course you want, you have to click that course, AI foundation. You can click continue, and then it will show you what are all the other modules you have to complete. So you have to click this. Okay, complete the learning here. So click on this. This is collaborated with ISTE and IBM. Okay, so you have to click that particular link, click continue. So it will take you to the particular course. You can see. Okay, so here you can just click on this enroll. Okay, anyhow you have to go with that, and here you can see it's a what is AI. Just click on that, click enroll. It will take you to what is AI. Okay, that particular module, it will take you to that module, and then you can start learning. Okay, again you have to click, you can click go to the activity. It will load the activity for you. Okay, so you can find a lot of information, lot of learning here. So each and every module and every course gives you a different level of understanding about AI. Okay, so this is very important. So if you are planning to pursue your artificial intelligence career, you can learn the basics from this particular courses, and if you want to continue with IBM Watson or something, you can proceed. So you can see there are completely, you have all the artificial intelligence content here. Okay, so this is how you can enroll. Okay, and yes, this is my learning room. Okay, if you wanted to connect with me, if you wanted to talk to me about anything, so you can connect here. Okay, so this is a free learning room. You can find my learning room here. I'll be leaving this link in the comment section, so you can find it in the pinned section. So you can just if you want to join my learning room, you have to just click on this anyone. Okay, anyone learning room. So this is my learning room. Just note down this particular learning room name, Microsoft Tech Talks. So click that particular Tech Talks. It will ask you to submit the form. You have to submit the form, and you will be allowed inside the Teams channel. Okay, so that is what all about the learning room. And if you require any one-to-one guidance, like for example personal guidance for your career or for your certification readiness or mock interview, no, you can just schedule a call here. I'll be happy to help you. I'm also leaving that link in the pin section. Thank you so much. I hope you find something useful in this video. If you really feel useful, so please share it with everyone who wanted to learn something new. Okay, I'll meet you soon in the next video. Thank you, take care, and bye bye. Have a great day.